Good morning, students. In the previous class, we read the first part of this chapter in which Toad, Mr. Toad was walking along the road. He was very hungry, so he entered into a restaurant and ordered his meal. While he was having his food, he heard about some honking of a car, and then some people were praising the car. So he came out of the restaurant to see that car. He get into the car and soon he started to drive that car. Now he pulled the lever and swung the car round the yard and out through the archway. Then he pulled the lever and he swing that car. That means he drive that car through the yard and pass out through the exit archway. All sense of right and wrong seemed temporarily suspended for Mr. Toad. He sped so fast, not knowing where he was going. He was only conscious that he was Mr. Toad once more. Mr. Toad at his best and highest, Mr. Toad the terror, the traffic queller, the lord of the lone trail, before whom all must give way or be smitten. So he was driving so fast that he was not knowing what he was doing, whether he was doing right or wrong. He was just thinking about himself. He was thinking himself as the lone of the lone trail, that means the king of the street. And he was assuming himself as the traffic queller. That means who can do anything around the traffic. And here is another word, smitten, that means severely affected. So he was driving very fast at that path and he was not worrying about anything else. He chanted as he flew and the car responded with booming sound. He was living his hour reckless of what might come to him. Reckless means not thinking about bad result. So he chanted as he flew. Here flew means he was driving that car. So he was very happy while driving his car and the car responded with a booming, that means the honking sound. And he was not thinking about any bad result. Cause what bad result? He had stolen somebody's car and he was driving very fast at the road and he was not thinking about any traffic. Then he increased his pace. Pace means speed. Even more when he heard the police siren. Then while driving that car he heard a police siren, so he increased his speed. He thought he might escape, but he was caught by the next turn of the road. So when he was at the another turn of the road, he was caught by that policeman. A chubby cop here. Chubby means a fat cop. Cop means policeman. A chubby cop with a handlebar mustache approached him with a stern look on his face and demanded, "May I see your license, mister?" So at the next turn he met a policeman with a handlebar mustache and he was giving Mr. Toad a very serious look on his face and he demanded Mr. Toad to give him his license. So what Mr. Toad is saying? License? Retorted Mr. Toad, huffing in the driver's seat. I was just testing how fast this marvel could go. And excuse me, I don't need any license. So in a very rude way, Mr. Toad responded to the cop that he lied to the cop that he was just taking a test drive. So for checking how this marvel, that means this marvelous car can go. And excuse me, I don't need any license. And he said that for test driving he don't need any license, so he was driving recklessly. Next moment Mr. Toad was seen standing in the court of law. he was found guilty of stealing a car, driving dangerously, and cheating the police. Here, cheating means disrespecting someone. So, the next moment was that Mr. Toad was in a courtroom and he was found guilty of stealing a car. He had stolen that person's car and he was driving very fast and he was also disrespecting the police. So, for all these things, he was in front of the court. Mr. Clerk, will you tell us what is the very stiffest penalty for such kind of offence? Asked the chairman. So the chairman asked Mr. Clerk that what is the difficult or worst penalty for this type of offence means crime. The clerk scratched his nose with his pen. Some people would consider, he observed, that stealing the motor car was the worst offence, and so it is. So the clerk scratched his nose with a pen, and after some thinking he said that some of the people would say that he has stolen a motor car, so it is a very bad crime, and it is. But driving dangerously and cheating the police undoubtedly carry the severest penalty. So the first thing he has done is that he had stolen a car, and the next thing Mr. Toad has done is that he was driving very dangerously and he was also cheating, that means disrespecting the police, which will cause a extremely bad penalty. Supposing you were to say 12 months for the theft, which is mild, 4 years for the furious driving, which is lenient, and 15 years for the cheek, which was pretty bad sort of cheek. Those figures, if added together correctly, tot up to 20 years. Tot up means adding numbers to calculate. So he said that Mr. Toad had stolen a car, which is a theft, which is mild, 4 years for that dangerous driving, which is also lenient, acceptable, and 15 years for that cheat. That means 15 years imprisonment for disrespecting that policeman. So all the crime total up to 20 years. Okay, students, in the next video we will study the remaining portion of this chapter. Thank you.